Let's be real. There are moments in life when you don't just want a high-paying job. You need one desperately. Maybe the bills are piling up like it was for me. Maybe your family is growing. Maybe the stress of living paycheck to paycheck is weighing on you like it weighed on me. I was stuck in a $15 an hour job working from my kitchen table with 5 kids and a 6th on the way. I was overwhelmed, burnt out, even scared. I didn't have time for guesswork. I didn't have the luxury of going back to college or climbing the corporate ladder for years. I needed a solution fast. And I found one. In just 6 weeks, I went from being overworked and underpaid to landing a tech sales role that paid over $80,000 a year. No prior experience in tech, just focused action and the right roadmap. If I were in the same desperate situation again, here's a playbook I'd follow, step by step. Desperation is uncomfortable, but it's also powerful. It forces you to get honest with yourself. For me, the breaking point came when I was on a Zoom call for work, rocking my toddler to sleep with my foot and trying not to panic about how I'd cover the mortgage that month. I was doing everything I could and still falling behind. At $15 per hour, I was stuck in a survival mode, constantly calculating, constantly catching up. It wasn't just stressful, it was unsustainable. And what hurt most was realizing that no matter how hard I worked, there was no real path forward. I had to admit the truth. The traditional solutions weren't going to cut it. I needed something faster, something proven, and something that would actually work for someone in my position. The longer I stayed where I was, the more I was losing not just money, but time. Time that could have been spent building skills. Time I could have been using earning more for my family. If I didn't make a move soon, a year later, I'll still be in the same spot, only more burnt out and further behind. That was the moment I realized the real risk wasn't trying something new. It was staying exactly where I was. That's when I came across Course Careers, and today they made it even easier to figure out if it's the right fit for you. They have Aura, an AI and career counselor you can chat with to discover which career path fits your skills, personality, and goals. Once you know your direction, every Course Career program starts with a free introduction course that shows you what the job is like, what you can earn, and exactly how to get hired fast. No degree or experience required. I researched everything: reviews, Trustpilot ratings, YouTube testimonials. The results were real: 60K to 100K jobs in weeks. One story that stuck with me was about a mom who completed the course while caring for her newborn. She finished, got hired in tech sales, and completely turned the family's finances around. For me, the $500 price tag was a big decision, but it wasn't an expense. It was an investment, and it paid off. What really convinced me was their practical, no-nonsense approach. This wasn't academic theory. This was the exact strategies, templates, and frameworks that companies were actively using to hire right now. The program included battle-tested cold email scripts with documented response rates, LinkedIn outreach sequences that hiring managers actually replied to, and interview preparation that positioned career changers as ideal candidates, even without the traditional tech backgrounds. Their job placement network was impressive. They maintained active partnerships with over 900 companies specifically seeking Course Career graduates. They don't just teach skills and hope for the best. They create direct pathways to recruiters who understand the value of their training and are actively hiring people making career transitions. Their success statistics compelling. 93% of students secure positions within 90 days of the program completion, with an average salary increase of 87%. For someone desperate at a $15 per hour job, those numbers represented complete life transformation, not just career change. The community aspect was also crucial during my desperate moments. I connected with other parents and career changers navigating similar crises. We became accountability partners, sharing job opportunities, practicing interviews together, and providing emotional support during the challenging phases. That network became a lifeline when I doubted myself. What sealed my decision was their comprehensive guarantee. If I didn't land a job within 180 days of completing the program, they refund me the entire investment. That shifted all the risk from me to them, giving me the confidence to invest money my family couldn't afford to lose without seeing results. I didn't quit my job. I didn't even wait for to calm down. I made it work in the March. Lunch breaks, late nights, early mornings. Let me break that down exactly what those 6 weeks looked like, because the structure was everything when I was operating from desperation. Weeks 1 and 2 was crisis mode foundation, building a committed 60 minutes each morning starting at 5 a.m. earlier than my previous attempts because desperation demanded demanded maximum effort. These sessions focus on sales fundamentals and industry terminology. During my commute, I absorbed content about tech business models and customer acquisition strategies. The mobile platform was perfect for someone juggling chaos. I could pause mid-lesson and resume exactly where I left off. Weeks 3 and 4 were intensive skill development. I progressed to advanced prospecting techniques, CRM mastery, and objection handling frameworks. Lunch breaks became intensive practice sessions, role-playing cold calls, crafting email sequences, and researching target companies. I even practiced during my kids' soccer practice, sitting in the car with headphones on. The hands-on exercises were immediately applicable to real scenarios. Weeks 5 to 6, all-out job search preparation. I focus on resume optimization, LinkedIn strategy, and interview preparation with laser focus. The program provided the templates for everything but taught me how to personalize them authentically. I began networking aggressively, reaching out to hiring managers, engaging with industry content, and building genuine professional relationships at a pace that matched my urgency. Course Careers gave me a clear roadmap to break into tech sales. No more guessing about what employers wanted or how to position myself. It was real-world training on interview, communicating, and closing deals. Practical skills I could use immediately, not theoretical knowledge. Step-by-step guidance on crafting a resume, optimizing LinkedIn, and attracting recruiters. Templates and frameworks that actually worked in the current market. The networking component was transformational for someone in crisis mode. Instead of sending desperate applications into the void, I was initiating strategic conversations about industry trends, asking thoughtful questions, and offering value where possible. The response rate was remarkable. Hiring managers were engaging because my outreach demonstrated competence and genuine interest, not desperation. The interview preparation was comprehensive and confidence building. I mastered the STAR method for behavioral questions, learned to research companies thoroughly, and develop strategic questions that impress hiring teams. I practiced until I could naturally weave my background into compelling narratives about why my non-traditional path made me perfect for tech sales. By the end of 6 weeks, I wasn't guessing, I was ready. I applied to jobs and interviews and started coming in almost immediately. The response was immediate and encouraging. Recruiters were responding to my LinkedIn outreach. Hiring managers were actually scheduling calls. I was getting interview requests faster than I could schedule them. Then came the life-changing offer, a role paying over $80,000 a year. The hiring manager later told me what differentiated me from the other candidates wasn't just my knowledge, but my strategic approach and urgency. I conducted more thorough company research than anyone else they've interviewed. My questions demonstrated business acumen. My follow-up communications were professional and thoughtful. My desperation had been channeled into exceptional preparation. If you're desperate for change, here's the exact sequence I'd follow again. Pick the right industry. Choose a growing field that doesn't require a degree. Tech sales is one of the best because it rewards communication skills, persistency, and problem solving, qualities you most likely already possess. Use Cura. Find the career path that best fits your strengths. Don't guess about your next move when you're operating from desperation. Get data-driven recommendations tailored to your situation. Take the free intro course. See what job is like before committing. Get a realistic preview of what success looks like and what it takes to achieve it when you can't afford to waste time. Commit to a sprint. Treat your learning like a 6-week bootcamp. When you're desperate, intensity becomes your advantage. Most people learn casually. You need to learn like your family's future depends on it. Build your personal brand. Resume, LinkedIn, and positioning matter more when you're competing against people with traditional backgrounds. Make your non-traditional path your differentiator, not your weakness. Network before you're ready. Connect on LinkedIn. Engage with industry people. Start conversations immediately. When you're desperate, you just can't afford to wait until you feel qualified enough. Practice interviews until you can confidently explain your value. Record yourself. Practice with family members. Rehearse until your story feels natural and compelling. The key insight for desperate job seekers is that urgency can be your secret weapon if channeled correctly. While others are taking their time, you're moving with purpose. While others are being casual, you're being strategic. Your desperation forces you to be more focused, more prepared, and more committed than the average candidate. Most importantly, track everything obsessively. In crisis mode, you need to seek progress daily to maintain motivation. Celebrate small wins, your first LinkedIn response, your first phone screen, your first interview invitation. These milestones prove you're moving in the right direction while everything feels uncertain. If you're feeling stuck, anxious, or like you're running out of options, breathe. I've been there, and I'm telling you, urgency can be your fuel for breakthrough if you channel it in the right plan. The hardest part about being desperate isn't the financial pressure. It's the mental weight of feeling like you're out of options. But here's what I learned. Desperation is just clarity in disguise. When you're desperate, you stop making excuses. You stop overthinking. You start taking action. The $500 I invested in myself when I was desperate was the smartest financial decision I've ever made. It wasn't just about the immediate salary increase. It was about transforming my family's entire future trajectory and proving myself that I wasn't powerless. Course Careers gave me the clarity, skills, and confidence to change everything. You can start the same way. Try Quora for free, take the intro course, and see if it's the right path for you. When you're desperate, every day matters. Every week you wait is another week of financial stress, another week of feeling trapped, another week of missed opportunities. But it's also another week closer to your breakthrough if you take action. I've linked it in the description. One click could be the start of a completely different life, because you're not stuck. You're just one smart move away from something better. Your desperation isn't a weakness, it's your motivation. Use it, channel it, let it drive you toward the life you deserve rather than keeping you paralyzed in the life you're trying to escape.